In this video, I'll show you how to connect your iPhone to your Brother MFC-J4335DW, how to print and also how to scan. So let's get started right away. The first step is to actually connect your printer to your Wi-Fi network, the same network that your iPhone is currently connected to. So let's go right over here on the control panel. So you're gonna press the down arrow. It says Wi-Fi over here, so we'll go directly in the Wi-Fi settings. Select Find Wi-Fi Network. It should be one of the first options. Press OK. Then select the right side arrow and wait. It will find all the Wi-Fi networks that are currently around the printer. Next step is to use the up and down arrow so you can search for your Wi-Fi network. Once it's highlighted in blue, press the OK button. Now it's time to type the password. You can also use the number pad on the right side in case your password has numbers. If not, well, you'll have to use the arrows and the OK button to type it. Press OK once you are ready. You're gonna get WLAN connection successful. Then you're gonna go on the App Store on your iPhone or iPad, it works both ways, and download the Brother Mobile Connect app. Open. Next, you can select Skip, select OK. This is the main screen of the app. You're gonna select Add Machine on the top. If you don't see it, click on the printer icon on the top right corner. It's the same thing. And then select the first option when your machine is already connected to a Wi-Fi. Your printer will appear and you simply have to tap on it. Click Skip. Activate later. Maybe later. Maybe later. Skip. Exit setup. You're gonna get a green check mark, by the way, simply telling you everything is fine. Now let me show you how to print and scan. To print, you're going to select Document Print, or if it's a picture from your picture reel of your iPhone, you're going to select Photo Print. In my case, it's simply a document, so I'll press here. And I'll have to select it from my iPhone memory. So I choose a PDF document to print. And before pressing the Print button, I suggest you click on the cogwheel. And here are a few different options you'll be able to change, including the paper size, how many copies you want, over here in color or black and white. Quality, by default, it's normal, but if you're printing pictures, always go ahead and select Fine. This will give you the best details, the best colors. It will also take more time to print, so this is a trade-off. If you're simply printing a text document with some graphics, just leave it to normal. And once you're ready, simply press the Print button. Extend the output tray. And the result is out. This printer prints quite fast, I would say. Now let me show you how to scan and get the results on your iPhone. So to scan, you need to open the scan lid over here. I'll also show you, by the way, how to scan using the top document feeder right after this. So if you opened the to have access to the scan over here, you need to put the paper facing down with the top part towards the left side, just like that. Then you're gonna notice there is an arrow on this corner. You simply need to glide until the corner of the paper touches the corner with an arrow. Close the lid. On the app itself, you're gonna select Scan. Make sure these settings are the one that you want. For example, if you're simply scanning a text document and resolution is not important, okay, there's not that many details, you can select 200 dpi. Instead, the scan will happen quicker. And press Scan. Usually in around 12 seconds, you should get the result on your screen. So let's wait a bit more. Here we go. we got our page over here. If you scan multiple pages using the top document feeder, that I'll show you again in just a few seconds how to use it, you're all gonna have them on your screen right now. This is not saved. What you need to do is to press done. And from here, you'll be able to zoom in just to make sure that you're happy with the result. And then you're gonna click share/save. You'll be able to share it with your favorite contacts. You're going to be able to share it on different social media apps. And if you go down this list, you'll be able to print the results, whatever you just scanned, or to save it to your iPhone. And to do that, you simply need to click on Save to File. Select the folder where you want this scan to go, and then press Save. If you want to scan multiple pages, here I have 3 of them. You're going to put them together, align them, and use the top document feeder. First thing, open this small, I don't know how you call it, small plastic piece. This will just forbid the pages to fall on your desk. Place your pages facing down with the top part towards the right side. Glide them under these 2 plastic guides. You may hear a small beep once you reach the end. Simply, it's just the printer telling you that it has noticed you have input paper over there. And now take your phone, select scan. The printer will automatically determine where you have placed the paper. You don't have to select anything over here. Some other printers you have to select manually. Over here, it's automatic. And press scan. All right, take a look. It will take each pages, starting with the one on the bottom, scan it, and it will come on the top. Don't touch anything. Okay, so on my phone over here, I have the 3 pages that got scanned. They're all perfectly aligned. And the same way, you're gonna click on Done, and then select Share Saved, and save the file or share it, whatever you want. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, take a moment, leave a like, comment down below. Check my Amazon links if you want to get some ink, some paper, or any other things for your Brother printer. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a beautiful day.